Hi, my name is Dr. Francis Kolo, and I'm going to be graduating in the class of 2027. I chose to come to the School of Public Health because the mission and the vision of the School of Public Health aligns with my professional background, and I have this long-term commitment to improve population health outcomes through transdisciplinary collaboration with various disciplines. Here at the School of Public Health, one of the benefits is that I am privileged to work with a diverse body of students having various experiences, different backgrounds, and the School of Public Health enhances or foster a collaborative environment to learn from other people's experiences, which is a key in working in a multidisciplinary workspace. It's hands-on. You get to learn the practical aspects of working as a public health practitioner. The faculty are not just leaders in their field, but they have a commitment to mentoring and support each student. No student is left behind. And they try to enhance and foster critical thinking in solving the complex public health issues we have in our world of today.